Hello, today I'm going to talk to you about doing a search on our library databases. You should have already used Ask a Librarian, but maybe you didn't get the results that you needed. So you can always go in again on your own. From our PVCC webpage, you're going to go to Students, Library, and here is where you would input your email for Ask a Librarian so that you can get that transcript mailed to you because you do have to copy and paste it into your assignment for part of your grade. Here is one search, and I want to think about what is my prompt. My prompt for my argumentative essay is, should artificial intelligence be allowed in college? So I want to take some of those key words, and I also want to think about what Boolean operators and or not would be the best to use. So when I'm including synonyms, I want to use or. So I have decided to use students or school or higher education and artificial intelligence or ChatGPT or language models. When I click one search, it's going to click all of the databases in one search. My first source is how ChatGPT, artificial intelligence, affects higher education. That sounds like it might be a very general article. It might even have both sides of the issue because remember, you needed to take a stance. Do you think AI should be allowed in college? Do you think it should not be allowed in college? Or do you think it should be allowed under certain circumstances, perhaps as a tool? So when I click that, since it's a newspaper article, it doesn't have an abstract. So I would want to read the very beginning and the very end. And if you notice at the very end, it has a source citation, and I can select MLA or APA. Now, if I select it here, that'll allow me to copy it. I can use Command-C for a Mac or Control-C for a PC, and I can paste it into the assignment area or another document where I'm putting all of my sources so I can turn them in all at once. It doesn't matter to me. I can also look up here and say I can print it, I can download it, I can send it to myself, I can cite it, and get the link. Remember, the link would not be sufficient. You do need all of the information. This one doesn't have a specific author, but it has the publisher, it has the database, it has the year, the date, etc. So I would continue to go through these sources, and if I'm not happy with the sources or the amount of sources that I find that are usable to me, I can always come back and change my search, or I can utilize Ask a Librarian again. I hope that helps.